Alright, we're caulking this with roofing mastic. Okay, all the way across so there's no leakage at all. So this is how I do it, just to reassure there's not a problem at all. And there's your L metal here, and then this drip edge is going to go up in this point here, and I'll show you what that's going to look like. Alright, I'm going to put this Lexel on the drip edge right here. I'm also going to put it along this edge in here. I'm going to put the drip edge inside of this cut on the back side of this fireplace. Hold it in. Okay, now I have this scattered. Now I'm going to put it in this cut that's been made with the diamond blade, like you would use for tile. Okay. All right. Now I sealed it also with this tar, or this L metal. Okay, it has gaps so there's no leakage. Okay, I'm getting it pretty heavy in here in this joint, as you can see. Okay, now we're getting it back in here. All right, this is for the drip edge. It's going to overlap this L metal, the metal that you're seeing here, the tar running down it. I'm going to finish this out. Moving on down. All right, now I'm going to get this going in this joint here. Okay. All right, going in. So I'm working it. Okay. And let me give you an overview here of what it's going to look like. All right. And there it is. Okay. There's the drip edge here. All right. And that's will be completely sealed. No water will get in there. This by next to God it does, but other than that, that is watertight. It lasts for years and years and years to come. Let's give you the overview. All right. Zoom in. All right. Okay. There you have it. Okay. How to seal, put on L metal on your fireplace. Sealing it. Now, sealing your L metal. No leakage. We had to cut right into the fireplace, into that rock, with the diamond bit on a diamond blade on the grinder, just like you'd use for tile. This is Home Improvement Tips, aka Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Remember, it's a win-win-win. Tell a friend, and as always, never give up, because there's always a way, always. And real quickly, I filled with L metal, came up against the wall, and where there was gaps, I filled in back in there a good ½ inch or more. All right, you can stuff it with some rags, stuff it with this roofing material for a ceiling. It's a netting. All right. Go stuff it down in there, and then fill it in with the tar, the mastic. All right, roofing patch. And while water gets, it's not going nowhere. All right, bye for now. God bless, and let's pray for this country and the world. Bye for now. Bye.